Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Lego Minifig Club unboxing, and it looks like they put them in blue bags now, which is different. Before it was in a plain mailer. So here we have our sticker that does go on our postcard. We almost have this one filled up, so we'll be able to redeem that for a prize pretty soon. Also get a bookmark. Looks like we have a golf theme this month. You also get a magnet.
And plenty more.
Yeah, and a big sticker. And then there's always some kind of challenge that you can do. Some pictures. And a postcard. So here are our bags. So this one is our piece of the month, which most likely is probably related to golf, don't you think, Jackson?
Yeah. It might be a golf ball, it might be a golf stick, it can be a golf hat or golf flag.
Wow, it doesn't relate at all. Oh, I see. Maybe it's supposed to be like the flag on there. That's funny. Okay, maybe it does. Here are our accessories. Okay, so you have a couple different hats. So we got a pirate hat. Pretty cool. Also have binoculars, a leaf, a microphone, a flower piece, a flag, flame, and a little shield.
What is it, Mom?
So those are our pieces. And then we have our figures. So you have enough to make at least 3 figures. Grab that head, I just dropped it.
Sometimes they give you more than one. Sometimes
Yes.
you have like extra pieces so you can make them like 2 feet or so, but this one doesn't look like it.
Yeah, you have enough to make 3 complete people. That one looks pretty cool.
Yeah.
And then you do have some extra pieces. Oh, that's upside down, isn't it? Oh my gosh, I can't hold on to the heads. I drop them every video. So we have this person with the sunglasses.
See that?
This one's just clear pink, so you can use it under a mask. Here, you can bring it down here so they can see it. So we have a lady, little Ninjago type face.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
Oh, that's funny. This one's all
Like a
patriotic. Oh, that's one of the superheroes, isn't it?
I think that's Captain America.
That one looks like another Ninjago piece. Then we have some pants. That looks like, what's that called?
From Baby Yoda?
No. And then some children legs. This looks like Lisa, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's what we got this month. And we will probably fill this up and then switch to a different type of Lego subscription. So if you guys have suggestions, please leave them in the comment below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.